In this video, I am going to explain data validation in Microsoft Excel. Consider this worksheet. Here we have a table with student examination marks. Let's assume that examination marks are always between 0 and 100. If here we write for 0, as it is, Excel will accept this input. But we know that 340 can't be a valid mark. So we can do data validation. And this will not allow users to enter marks which are not within range. So if I highlight the data that is inputted by the users, and I click on the drop-down arrow of the data validation button and click on data validation, I can decide to allow as entry only, for example, whole numbers between 0 and 100. So if I go and here I type in 333, when I press enter, it will give me an error. However, here we have an invalid entry because we have inputted it before we did the data validation. In that case, we can come on the data validation button and click on Circle Invalid Data. When we click on Circle Invalid Data, as you can see here, any invalid data will be circled. This will help users to identify errors in the data and fix them. It is also possible to set an input list so that the user will choose the input rather than enter it. For example, consider this pass mark. Let's say that the pass mark can be either 45 or 50. We can go on data validation, and here we can choose, for example, list. Then here in source, I am going to write comma separated the number 45, the number 50. Now here, you can see that when you click on the cell, there is a drop-down menu and you can choose between 45 and 50.